Ooh, look, zebra. Oh, he stole my bucket.
He saw someone else's bucket too.
Mom, he straight up, yeah, he took my bucket in his hand and he pulled it out.
Look at me.
That's a strategy. That's a strategy. That's why the bit long, they don't know the asset.
Oh.
Now there's a lot on the ground and he just sitting. Oh, look at the cow.
I'm gonna throw it.
Oh my gosh.
What did you just, what did you
Oh my god. It's coming. It's coming.
It's coming. That part is coming.
No.
My god, Emma, look at those baby
Emma, you see the baby pigs? You want to throw them your food?
Feed the baby.
Emma, we get close and you throw them your food, okay?
Look, feed the baby pig.
Go to the baby.
Look, over there. Hi. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm telling Scratch, go chase her.
Hi, cow.
Ooh, this was you. Look, it's pink, Emma. Don't eat my GoPro.
Look at you.
Can I have a bowl?
Okay.
Hold the bowl.
Becca!
Okay. So bye-bye, llama.
Bye-bye. Look, I'm doing it.
Emma, this one's a baby cow, look. That's a baby cow. Touch it, touch his hair.
He's so Chloe.
Touch it.
Touch him.
Cool. Good job, Emma. Emma's brave. That one don't bite.
That's the mommy one. You touch his head. The mommy daddy. There's a white llama
Good girl. Sophia, see, Sophia's so brave. See, it's a baby cat.
That kind of buckle is so good. Oh, take it.
Give me chain.
That's how you like it?
Oh, this little girl